Alright, here's one of the brand new Daikin air conditioners running. So it sounds really nice. This one's not running. Yeah, it's not been running actually. Both have Copeland's Emerson scroll compressors. I thought they had LGs at first. This one's from 2017, that's a 5-ton. It's a DX13 unit, so that's a 13-seater. And this one, the one that's running is from 2018, that's a 5-ton, also a 13-seater unit. The focus. That suction line's cold and sweaty right here. Not that sweaty at all, but it's got a US fan motor right here. Both got US, and there's a like an air conditioner or something. It's not even running at all. I'm not sure what this is. But all I can focus on is the two Daikin units. This one replaced. What's really weird is that it replaced a refrigerator component that was just right here. But I kind of don't understand, probably. But anyway, that's the brand new 2017 and 18 Daikin 5-ton air conditioners. One that's running is really quiet. It's got a Copeland scroll and it's quiet. Alright, well, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video.